Hey guys, and welcome to Project Manifest. Working as an IT professional, I know that internet connectivity issues are very common both at home and in the workplace. So what do? If you're not nearly as tech savvy as your next door neighbor or one of your colleagues, that's okay. Today you'll be learning the fastest and most efficient way to solve your internet connectivity issues all in one window.
The dreaded command line window.
In less than 30 seconds. So to start, open command prompt from the start menu by typing CMD. Type ping space 8.8.8.8. This is a Google DNS server location that's always on. Then type ping space google.com. If neither of these show a reply, then click the Wi-Fi icon and verify that you're not connected to a faulty network, because we all know that Windows 7, 8, and 10 will automatically connect to open networks sometimes if you've accidentally attempted to connect to them. If that's not the case, try disconnecting and reconnecting from your network. Pull up the command prompt and type the following command: ipconfig space /release space and space ipconfig space /flushdns space and space ipconfig space /renew. It'll look like it froze for a little bit while it's doing its work. Once you get to where you can type again the command completed, go ahead and try to open up a web page such as google.com. If you'd like to stay updated with more tech tips and other related videos, be sure to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell to be informed of all of my latest uploads. Please leave any questions or comments below and let me know what you might like to watch me do next time. So until the next video, namaste.